Thank you for visiting Chicago Cars Direct. This is a 2006 Lexus GX470 four-wheel drive. It is Blizzard Pearl White over a gray leather interior. We do these videos for our clients who might not be able to come in person. So we walk around the vehicle for you, show you every angle, and hopefully give you a really good idea of what it looks like inside and out. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by showing you the driver's side. Right here. And there's Kyle, he's going to help us with the video. He's the guy waving at you. So this is the quarter panel. What we're going to do is, now we're going to zoom in to the front fender, right here. And then we're going to zoom out slowly so you can see what everything looks like. We did take a professional paint meter and we measured every panel. And what that allows us to see is if there was any previous accidents or issues. Every panel is uncompromised, so there's no evidence of any previous accidents or any painting of the vehicle at all. So you can also see that on the CarFax report and the AutoCheck report. And let me show you the passenger side as well. I'm just going to zoom into the fender and then zoom out slowly. Just looks great, and this is the best color in the GX, the Blizzard Pearl. And it's hard to find them, actually, especially in this color combination with the darker interior. It just looks great. Just a beautiful, beautiful color. This is the rear spoiler. That was originally a $551 option from Lexus. And there's your sunroof. And there's Kyle. Hi, Kyle. And then show you the hood. Look at that paint, though. You can see the reflection off of the of our lights. Just beautiful. I do not know why you don't see more white GXs out there, because it's just absolutely stunning. Hey, Kyle, can you turn the lights on? Perfect. Thank you, sir. Now, if you could, can you open up the hood and we'll show everybody the engine. Perfect. So this is probably one of the best things about the GXs. This is a 4.7 liter 32 valve V8 engine, 263 horsepower, but the best thing about it is that it's 323 pounds-foot of torque at only 3,400 RPM. It's mated to Lexus's four-wheel drive system and a really, really nice 5-speed automatic. It's basically, the GX470 is a really good choice for buyers who want luxury, build quality, off-road capability, and of course Lexus reliability. But let me just zoom into everything here. I do want to show you how clean it is. Again, there is no evidence of any previous accidents or problems. Everything is exactly where it should be. And just very, very nice. Very, very clean. Okay, so that is the engine bay. And now I get to show you the rear of the vehicle. Okay, let's open this up for you so you can see it. So as you can see, this has the third row seats. They fold up a la Land Rover Discovery. It is incredibly clean on the inside. I don't know, can you see if you look at the carpeting? Look at that. There is no smoke smells, no strange odors, no pet odors. It just smells incredibly clean in here. Obviously nobody has ever smoked in it. My biggest pet peeve is cigar smoking. Definitely none of that. It just smells great. Always appreciate that. Oh, wow, very, very nice. It's not even scraped up here. Okay, now I get to show you, these are the illuminated running boards, which are really nice. See those little lights right here? No. I'm gonna zoom in really quickly. Those are great. I don't know why I mean, this is a 2006. I don't know why more manufacturers don't. Well, they're starting to do it now, but it's a great idea to light up the running boards so you can see where you're stepping. Thanks, Kyle. Perfect. I just want to show you the condition of the seats. The seats are in wonderfully good condition. I'm just gonna, hopefully, I know it's a little dark in here, but hopefully you can see everything. This looks really, really nice. And look at, again, look at the carpeting. Look how nice the carpeting is. Just beautiful. So, down here, that is your rear air conditioning. Pretty nice, right? This vehicle obviously has the third row seat with rear air vents and rear air conditioning. So here's the front seats, and what I always do is I always zoom in. Thanks, Kyle. Perfect. He opened the door so I have a little more light. I always show the bolster here. There's always going to be a little wear here, but just really not a lot at all. It's a very soft leather, of course, because it's a Lexus. They use very soft cows, and very nice. Obviously, those are your power seats, lumbar support. We always put this plastic down to keep the carpeting in good condition, and it really, the carpeting is in amazingly clean condition. They obviously didn't do a lot of heavy work with this vehicle. This vehicle also has the Mark Levinson sound system and the navigation system. That was a $3,050 option from Lexus at this year. Those are your memory seats. That is your wood and leather steering wheel, which is, I think, beautiful. I love the wood grain. I love this cabin finish in this car, in this vehicle. And I think the wood and leather steering wheel really brings everything together. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the passenger seat. Again, it smells great in here. I'll show you the passenger door. I love the cabin in GXs. Okay, so now we're going to close the doors and we'll start the engine. I don't know if you saw that, but that is a power steering wheel. So that can be tied into your memory system. There's your lawyer screen for the navigation system. It's a very easy to use navigation system and is still very, very good. Below that is your dual zone climate control. That is, oh, we lost focus. Sorry. Hopefully it'll find it here soon. There it is. It went into nighttime mode. Wow, that's cool. I didn't know we had a nighttime mode. Great. I love this camera. So that's your Mark Levinson sound system, as I was saying earlier. Those are your differential, your different modes. You have a comfort and a sport mode. Height adjustable suspension, downhill assist control. There's your low gear. It's hard to imagine that in such a very, very well finished vehicle, sort of like a Land Rover as well, but in such a well finished vehicle, it is amazingly good off-road. It does have the low gear. Those are your heated seats. 5-speed automatic transmission. But look at the fit and finish. Just beautiful. Okay, the vehicle has, I'm sorry, 88,832 miles on it. Drives incredibly well is also. One of the reasons for that, and I'll show you that, are the tires. These are, the tires actually have lots and lots of tread left on them. They're all 8/32. So they have about 75, conservatively, 70 to 80% of the tread left on them. So you have lots and lots of tread left on them. And obviously that helps to ride a lot. I would like to show you all the wheels and tires. Look how nice the condition of the tires is, and the wheels. They're not scraped up or curbed, or it just looks very nice. So that is our Lexus GX470. Please feel free to go to our website, because we have the CarFax report and the AutoCheck report on our website at www.chicagocarsdirect.com. Please feel free to look at it, print them out. You can see there's no reported accidents or problems or issues. Again, there is no previous evidence of any sort of accidents or previous painting of the vehicle. Or if you have any other questions that this video was not able to answer for you, our phone number is 630-889-0911. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.